Welcome. Thank you so much for subscribing to this YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Welcome again to today's news. Thank you. So, the headline: those that have planned, that have plotted against Igboho, their secret have been leaked. Yes, Abi, you guys have not heard it yet. It has been happening. They've been detaining him. Planning different thing against this man. Just one man. Nigerian government. Because he's fighting for his country. He's fighting for his people. He's fighting for his ancestors. They are not jealous. They are not plotting evil against him. Do you know how many times Igboho have been shot? How many times he has been detained? How many times he had been driving and they stopped him? Only because he has chosen the right path. My advice to the Yoruba nation is, as you have chosen this right path, don't deter from it. Stay on it. Don't be afraid. Let nobody cajole you. Let nobody deceive you. Let nobody. You are on the right path. We are exercising our right. So we are not afraid. We are not afraid at all. In the least, no. We are not afraid. Like Jesus in the Bible. Igboho has been persecuted more than what you can ever imagine. But he still stood his ground. But the Yoruba nation, we have never started though. Until you said may God give us courage. May God strengthen us. May God give us the wisdom to be able to ascertain this one Yoruba nation. May God help us in Jesus' name. The Igbos and Hausas have planned that they will rule Nigeria. Yes, they've planned it from the beginning. But then the Hausas became smarter. They became very smarter. And they were ruling, and they did not give the Igbos chance. They even removed the Yorubas, self. They were like, who are these ones? I beg, remove them, Jare. They were smarter than the Igbos. Abi. They are not even considering Nigeria. They said they will be ruling Nigeria consecutively. That's what they've planned. They remove Yoruba patapata. But thank God, we are not even concerned about them. Thank God, because we are leaving their country for them. Because if like they should do Nigeria, we are leaving Nigeria for them. You're going to one independent state. Is there where we have freedom of speech? A place we will live in unity, in peace, and in progress. So, Yoruba nation, let us stand up. Let's continue to fight this fight. It is getting nearer and nearer to the end every day, closer and closer. So don't give up now. Don't give up. Stand your ground. Don't give up. Whenever you want to give up, remember that it is better for me to leave Nigeria than remain here and suffer and be slaughtered by the Hausas. Always remember. Remember how you have been suffering for how many years. Let it get you upset. Let it get you angry. Let it get you angry. I don't know if you know about Jabez in the Bible. He was angry about what the name that his mommy named him. And he said, God should enlarge his cause. If the Yoruba nation were not angry, we'll remain where we are. Let's be angry with our situation right now. Whatever we are passing through, let's be angry with it. Yes. Let's be angry. Let's not be satisfied with where we are. No. Let's not be satisfied. Let's be angry. And let us stand up courageously. Let us stand up and take what is rightfully ours. Let us not be scared. Let us stand up. They detain many Yoruba agitators and put them in prison, denying them bail. But these people, when they come out, they will sing God and do this again. It's not because they're enjoying the detainment, it's not because they're enjoying the prison. But they know what they are pursuing. They know what they are pursuing. They know that even at the end, they'll have a country that people will admire. They know. They know that now you have to suffer for your tomorrow to be bright. Yes, Yoruba nation. I'm a there. It's normal. But at the end, we will come out rejoicing. Yoruba nation, it's not time for us to give up. It's time for us to tighten our seatbelts and make things good for our unborn children. It's time for us to be wise. Make the decision now. Should we remain in Nigeria and continue to suffer? Or should we go to another place and enjoy and enjoy and enjoy? I don't know about you, but I said, I'm tired of suffering. I'm tired. I want to go and enjoy. I want to enjoy what is to me. This Nigeria is like hellfire. It's like hellfire. I don't know who wants to continue staying in hellfire but me. What is to me gone? What is to me? Okay, please don't forget to comment in the comment section. You know, the plans they had against Igboho, how we turned against them and how they discover the plans. Let's talk about it more. Let's talk about it. Let's come out. Let's not be lazy, Yoruba nation. Let's not be lazy and tired. I know it's not easy. Yes, it's not easy. But let us not be lazy and tired. Let us stand up. And may the Lord bless us. May the Lord give us victory even at the end. In Jesus' name. Please don't forget to like the video channel. And for those who have not subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more juicy news. Thank you so much for your time. One Nigerian nation. God bless.